What's up, guys? Boss Psynos coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another? Oh! Look at my favorite moment. Yeah. Yeah. Today's a very special day for every parent. You know why? You know why? You know why? Because today a revenge day. Today.
Every kid.
Today, Wagwan and I they live in hell. Out of baby Psynos. Our 2-year-old. Our problems. Every day. Them and I, buy some here food, can't sleep at night time. Tell them 50 times, put that down,
Mama,
put that down.
shut
Shut your box, kick you in your sleep. Everything. Do up, diaper, everything. Today, I'm my day, I can't take it no more. Demonstrate.
Why you do it, John Croft?
Demonstrate. Right now. Well, yeah, man. Right, that's how it's going to end. Right now, we're going to nigh a petty time. Just know a petty time. All parents, you know like go. We are represent for now. It's about to go down. Aww. Alright, peeps. As you can see, she asleep right now. Yeah, I will go wake up in backside. You see?
You guys are not wicked.
Now this. We have one plastic bat.
We're
but
such
Psynos
cool
we have.
parents.
The Psynos we have.
Tambourine.
So I take with time going there and put on the camera and I go turn it up. Make we show him asleep. Every night when we are trying to sleep.
Yeah,
we wake up here so come and grow up and look like old man. At our time now. Watch me on your back says he'll be asleep. Oh! Alright, so she got off a while ago. Alright, then come back and sleep. Oh, put this up. Alright, come on. Oh! Gotta walk one. Jesus. Alright, I'm not gonna sleep. Corona. Yes, in time, man. Get him. Oh! Get him. Get him. Get him. Let's go, Miss Psynos. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You think it done yet?
Why you do it, John Croft?
Oh!
Oh!
Who shot the sheriff? Yeah, your head. Why you do it, John Croft?
You stupid.
Alright guys, our last attempt, you ready? See it here, the most a 9-1.
Yo, let me tell you something. Yo, let me tell you something. Yo, let me tell you something. Yo. Yo, let me tell you something. Yo. Yo, I'm with me, yeah? Yeah, man, you know how I feel now. Yeah, you know how I feel now. Yeah.
Yeah! Sweet revenge though. Me Psynos, what go on? Me tired. How are the all food in my beard when me a fast with her. And that's, you know, so they want the more, but a true a night. Road manager did come link me a man bag a thing, but yeah, that's how you annoy the kids. You know what I mean? Might do a part 2, let me know if you know a part 2. And that's how we annoy our 2-year-old, aka baby Psynos. Yeah. Yo, petty, so what? So what? Eh? You know, people want to sleep at night time, eh? Yeah, make be a night time, me boy, die, mommy, die, mommy, die. That a 9, don't. Yeah, hear that. Jesus Christ. But anyway, peeps, hope you guys enjoyed. And this video was for entertainment. We are really good parents. We're not really so. You know what I mean? But me they want me like the petty parts, the revenge is sweet. No part of the real for me. No, I don't want to do that. Yeah. But anyway, guys, let's continue to stay focused. And I really hope you guys. But anyway, peeps. Please smash a like on the like button down below.
Sorry.
And
Something going on my eye.
I just can't stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated. Keep pushing to the top. You ain't gonna stop me tired. And just remember that nothing can stop us. I want you, man.
Yeah, I know you know.
No bother with it. No bother with it. Well, smash on the like button, guys. Comment, subscribe if you haven't done so. And just remember that nothing can stop us.
Oh!
Why you do it, John Croft?
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker.